What's up, Blades? Welcome to EBTV. My name is Jalissa.
My name is Vincent.
Attention all Blade buddies. We'll be having our first meeting on October 14th right after school at 2:30 in room 509. If you can't make the meeting, please stop by and check in with Ms. Davis in room 509.
Girls, if you are interested in learning more about what engineering is all about, come see Mrs. Perry in room 500 to get more information and sign up to go to BC and learn from women engineers. There will be activities and drawings for prizes, which also includes $100.
If you're interested in playing competitive computer games against other people and schools in the current high school district, please come to room 504, Mr. Lockhart's room, on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursdays after school. We're currently playing Overwatch and the League of Legends.
Do you like art? Of course you do. There will be an art show featuring East Bakersfield High School students starting today and ending October 31st at the Bakersfield Art Association Art Gallery. Their facility is located at 1607 19th Street, and their phone number is 661-869-2320. You can go see our Blades art Tuesday through Friday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Do you like playing board games? What about card games? Have you ever been interested in D&D? The Laptop Club has it all. The club is up and running again in the choir room, room 612. And if you are curious about joining, stop by during lunch, either lunch period or after school to talk to Mr. McDuff. Go Blades!
The Blade Band and Color Guard invite you to their first competition of the season on Saturday, October 19th at Centennial High School. They perform at 3:39 p.m. and would love to have you at our Blade family there to cheer them on. We hope to see you there.
Sports. Today, cross country is at Kern County Soccer Park. JV tennis is at Tehachapi. Thursday, volleyball is at Tehachapi. Friday, football is away at South. Thanks for watching our show, and we'll see you next time.